So let's start with chemical peel today. So as you can see that she has a little bit of uneven skin tone and discoloration. So we'll do chemical peel today, and we'll do this peel which is Hyperfade Pro Peel. So this peel has kojic acid, vitamin C, and let's start with this. So first we'll clean the face with a mild cleanser. So we'll just do the cleansing part before starting the peel. And one thing you should take care that before peel, 3 to 5 days before, don't use any AHA, BHA products or retinol, and don't do any bleach or waxing. So let's clean it with a mild cleanser. We are preparing the skin for the peel. Okay, so let's wipe it off. Okay, so as you can see, we are doing this Hyperfade Pro Peel. It has glycolic acid, vitamin C and kojic acid. Okay, so this works very well on whoever has hyperpigmentation, pigmentation or post acne marks, because vitamin C brightens the skin. It improves the skin texture. Kojic acid also helps in removing the pigmentation and to improve the texture of the skin. So let's start. We'll just take few drops and we'll keep it for 1 to 2 minutes. So for sensitive skin, we'll keep it for 1 to 2 minutes. For normal skin, 2 to 3 minutes. So I've just taken few drops. We'll apply with a brush. This also removes the dead skin and it really helps in the glow. Just avoid the eyes. Don't apply near the eyes. Okay, so I've applied the peel and we'll keep it for 2 minutes. So let me tell you before peel, do not apply any AHA, BHA products, any retinol. Don't do any waxing, bleaching or threading at least 2 to 3 days prior. And we'll keep it for 2 minutes and it will start showing the results within 48 to 72 hours. So it takes 3 days to show the results. So now we'll just take a wet, you can take wet wipes or cotton, wet cotton. So we'll remove the peel. So post chemical peel care should be like, don't do makeup for 24 hours. Do not use face wash for 24 hours and apply a lot of SPF and a light moisturizer. Again, no AHA, BHA or retinol for 48 hours. So we have wiped it off. So we'll just take the tissue. So we are done with the peel. Just apply a lot of sunscreen. So yeah, the treatment is done. It just takes 5 minutes, but you have to be careful with the before and after treatment. So after 3 days, the dead skin will start to scrape off. It will get peeled off, and then only you'll see the results. It works very well on hyperpigmentation and acne marks, and even on the discoloration and uneven skin tone.